I'm gonna spit in my saying she like I get down, let me get in my get up to the condo, I'm a spit in my. Inside of the city, I'm dead where you live. I'm on location, they play for the geek. Go check out the scene after some. Yeah. Welcome to both sides. In my hood, they call me Simon. Killers do what I say. Every diamond came from Gary. Thank God I'm real legit. From street shit and chose rap. Grab a million from the rack. I'm fast cat. I'm in the BP Cadillac. We got double eyes back to back. So no that we doing a dash and stats, nigga. Fuck your hood, I cop a please, bitch. If it's bad, it's bad, nigga. I did more hoes than Michael Jackson did this shows, nigga. I ain't full more foes than Ralph Lauren and sold clothes, nigga. T-hand, this ain't come from Johnny. We ain't like niggas. I got bitch.
What y'all about to do over there?
10 o'clock in the morning, I'm out there.
What y'all about to do?
Huh?
What y'all about to do?
Huh? Spin them blues.
Yeah, that's why you chilling right now. That's why he chilling.
Them blues.
That's why he chilling, son. He cooling right now. He don't want to go out tonight.
I'm just going to get a whip.
Cash. Damn. Now they picture in this they out of commission right now.
Damn, I knew that, baby. You see, it's been all dark and everything. So you gotta get down.
You waiting on something?
Hit something right now.
Dropping them boys in that thing. Drop the salt water in there. Alright, hold that shit so we start swimming. Them bitches might. You heard?
It ain't even you know I'm in tune. Let's go and get freaky. What you got to lose?
You know I'm taking, baby. I don't create a fucking right. You know I got a man. I don't give a fuck. But you know I got a man. I don't give a fuck.
Oh yeah. It's all the ingredients. Yeah, just the ingredients. Get seasoning. Season it up. Gonna put the whole thing of lemon juice. Gotta get that whole thing. More fall back. That good sight, that good sauce. We got the best left in it, boy. Hey, this is it.
Yeah, he's gonna have to scoop it out after he done. You putting it back ending, Don. Just flip that bit, it's fast.
I ain't even gotta do all this. We put it in there. We dropped the whole thing in there. Like, I could have went fishing for this later. This gonna be the best seafood they ever ate. Get that good seasoning going around, so we cooking it up. It's smelling how it's supposed to smell. Do your be love. You know what I'm saying?
A thumbnail.
Just get in your hands. Let your hands go to work. Let your hands go to work. I ain't you know what I'm saying? Blake gotta get in that camera. He about to be on TV anyways.
Nah.
Good eat. Oh yeah, I got you. They got a little watermelon on there too. Good eat, and we still got shrimp cooking. Oh yeah, hold up. We still got shrimp cooking. I don't be looking for people. I tell them where I'm gonna be, and then I be where it be.
forgot who mama I am.
You ain't lit.
I forgot who mama
They don't want me to go get dressed for real, we really can pop out. It's only 12 o'clock. We really still pop out.
All 24.